Camp Nou is buzzing with construction energy as its spectacular transformation moves full speed ahead. Cranes are lifting, red slats are rising into position, and massive structural elements are coming together piece by piece. The stadium is slowly reclaiming its grandeur, and the progress is truly incredible to witness. Today, we're taking you inside Camp Nou to show you some amazing developments and full detailed updates from every key area. So stay connected with us because you won't want to miss what's happening inside this iconic stadium. At the shop Diamond, previously stored glass panels are now being transported to another area. The same panels remain missing above the doors and at the corners, similar to the cafeteria side. Workers are installing rock wool insulation above the entrances. In some sections, finishing trims are already in place, giving the structure a more complete appearance. In the south goal section, beam installation around the stair and elevator cores is largely complete. Some upper elements and anchors are still missing, and connector pieces for slat supports have not yet been installed. Workers are tightening anchors in one advanced sector, preparing it for future work. This area could soon become the next phase for slat installation. The corner remains the most active area at the moment. A new red slat is being lifted into position using an orange crane, signaling continued progress. With improved weather conditions, installation is moving more efficiently. Workers are carefully aligning each slat before securing it permanently, and the structure is gradually gaining more color and definition. Work is ongoing in the lateral section where teams are adjusting newly installed slats and ensuring proper alignment. Concrete is being poured in the upper stair section, and concrete panels near the elevator doors are already in place. Interior sandwich panels were completed earlier, while the right side still awaits panel installation. Elevated platforms and workers remain active in this zone. The fourth compression ring pillar and the fourth radial beam are staged and ready for installation. A truck loaded with new slats has arrived, signaling upcoming facade work. These slats may either stay in storage temporarily or be moved directly to the corner area, where installation is advancing steadily. Activity in the upper sections continues with elevated platforms visible. Painting work is nearly finished, with most beams now black. Previously delivered compression ring components remain ready for assembly, awaiting lifting in the coming days. At the north goal corner, crews are installing insulation with trim pieces and rock wool, securing everything properly. Slat supports are largely in place, and the next step will be installing anchors before the slats. Workers are also refining structural details, ensuring all materials fit correctly. Central north goal work focuses on the future elevator cores, where workers are installing safety netting and diagonal supports. Hydraulic tools are being used to remove excess concrete between beams and slabs. Multiple workers are active inside scaffolding, strengthening the interior framework. In the adjacent corner, connector pieces for the slat supports are being welded to the beams. Some pieces are already installed, while others are in progress. Nearby, block walls are being finalized, and pipe installations still need extension into the interior. The diamond area remains filled with stored glass panels, with prefabricated seating elements visible above. No significant changes have occurred here, but the area continues to hold essential materials for upcoming installations. Work continues in the main stand where structural pieces are being positioned near the stair section. Inside the scaffolding, elevator structures appear close to completion, with most beams already installed. The next major step here will likely be the installation of sandwich panels. An interior platform is active, while the tower crane remains on standby. There have been no major changes in the cafeteria diamond since last week. Several glass panels are still missing, particularly at the corners and above the doors. Reinforcement bars on the left side still need concrete work before completion. Even so, the installed glass panels are already giving this future cafe restaurant a strong visual presence. That's it for today's Camp Nou update. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel.